This is something people are going to remember for a long, long time. I know you folks can hear it. Now we can see it. No, I think it's going to land. Or maybe not. Yeah, I think it's going to land. You folks ought to be able to see it there at home. It's the Air-Evac Life Team helicopter that has brought the game football to the football field here at Edwards County High School in Albion. And now somebody's stepping out of the helicopter. I assume that person has the game football, Troy. Boy, this is going to be a homecoming celebration to be remembered for a long, long time. There comes the Air-Evac team, a gentleman and a lady, to our captains. Shake hands with them, and I assume now they're going to present the football to them. That's really not the football we're going to use. That's a white football there.
Ladies and gentlemen, once again, let's give it up for the heroes of the sky.
This is really something special, Troy. This is something to see and remember for a long, long time. I don't know who made the arrangements for this, Troy, but they should get a lot of thank yous. Nothing like this ever happened, Troy, when I was in school. And I know this is a first, to actually have a football brought in by helicopter. And even the Christopher players and the fans are going to remember this for a long time. The helicopter's still sitting at the 50-yard line. And I guess once they get their seat belts snapped, they'll take off and go back to wherever their headquarters is. I am just glad that I got to witness this event, Troy. Now again, folks, this was done first back in 1927 for a football game between Carmi and Grayville, played in Grayville. The only difference was back then they didn't have helicopters like we have today. They used an airplane that flew from Evansville over to Grayville and dropped the football from the air, and it landed right on the 50-yard line. Now I can hear the rotor blades picking up speed to lift off. I hope you folks are back home watching this on Huddle. It's too bad the Evansville TV stations are not here to cover this. And it's now beginning to lift off the ground. The Air-Evac Life Team helicopter. And there it goes.